ready to unlock a treasure trove of website data and supercharge your Google Sites tracking. First, let's head over to Google Tag Manager and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Then, select the container you want to use on your Google Sites website if you haven't created one already. Quickly set one up for your specific website. Once inside your container, you'll see a block of code. The container snippet is in two parts: the first piece for the head, and the second part, which we'll use later for this tutorial. We're only focusing on the first code. Click and copy the code snippet specifically for the head section. Now, it's time to go to your Google Sites website. In edit mode, click the settings button. This is in the top right corner alongside the publish button. You'll then see the settings menu. Scroll down to find the more options section. Click this to expose more hidden options. Inside more options, you will find a field labeled Analytics. This is for Google Analytics. We need to click the Add Custom Code option in the very bottom half of the screen. A small modal will appear on the screen. Choose the option for header. This is critical for this tutorial. Next, in the head section, paste the Google Tag Manager head code snippet you copied earlier. Now save the code snippet. The final step involves publishing your site with the GTM head code applied. Click the Publish button, usually located in the top right corner of your Google site. Make sure to select Publish. Give it a few minutes or a few hours and head back into Google Tag Manager and publish the changes you make now. Your Google Sites site will be fully integrated with Google Tag Manager, empowering you with advanced tracking capabilities. You are all done.